Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this deliciously comforting spicy lentil and potato soup topped with crunchy spicy cauliflower. The full list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. I've preheated my oven to 200 Celsius and I'll make a start by blending my spices together. First I'll go in with 2 teaspoons of cumin powder and then 2 teaspoons of ground coriander. 1.5 teaspoons of ground turmeric. In goes a 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and a big pinch of ground black pepper and a couple of pinches of salt. And I'll blend my spices together really well with a fork. And next I'll prepare my cauliflower. I want fairly small florets. I've given the cauliflower a quick rinse and I'll coat them in a couple of tablespoons of oil. Then I'll rub them into a tablespoon of the seasoning. I'll give them a good mix. I want each piece coated. Once they're all coated, I'll bake them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until they're tender and golden. In the meantime, I've washed a celery stick and I'll get rid of some of the string and then chop it up into fairly small slices. I've got 4 very small carrots that I'll slice finely. And I'll also slice up 1 medium-sized onion. In a large pan, I've warmed up 2 tablespoons of oil and I'll gently fry all of the chopped veggies for about 10 minutes until they're soft and the onions have a little colour on them. Once the vegetables are nice and soft, I'll add 3 cloves of chopped garlic. I'll then stir in 2 tablespoons of curry paste. And I'll go in with 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. I'll let that cook out for a couple of minutes. And then I'll add 210 grams of dried split red lentils that I've washed and drained, and I'll get that coated in all the spices. I'll also add the remaining spices from earlier. And after allowing that to cook out for a couple of minutes under a low heat, now I'll turn the heat up and pour in 1 litre of veggie stock and then 250 millilitres of boiling water. I've peeled and halved 6 small potatoes and I'll add those to the soup. I'll keep the heat to a simmer and cook with the lid on for 25 to 30 minutes until the potatoes are fork tender and the lentils are soft. My potatoes are nice and soft now. I'll take my soup off the heat. I want to keep my potatoes whole, so I'm going to remove them from the soup and set them to one side in a bowl. And then I'll blend the rest of my soup until smooth. And to thin the soup out and add creaminess, I'm going to add 250 millilitres of coconut milk, and I'll return the potatoes to the pot and also warm through on the stove for a couple of minutes. Once the soup has warmed up, it's time to serve, and I'll top with the tender, spicy roasted cauliflower. And there it is, thick spicy lentil soup, so warming and packed with delicious flavours. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please like, share, drop me a comment and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.